Yeah, good afternoon, colleague. My name is Joshua Virwanga, together with my colleague, Indom Baraka. We are here to present you machine learning operations. We shall first take you through the architecture of our model, how the model that we are going to use for prediction was developed. Then shall finalize with machine learning operations. And first and foremost, we implemented a federated learning distributed system. Federated learning is a distributed system, is a distributed machine learning process which allows multiple nodes to work together in order to train a shared model without exchanging any raw data. The major goal of this framework is to preserve privacy. So it enables the participating nodes or clinic to maintain the data on their nodes, and they only send the model updates to the central server. So what happens in our setup? We have a central server and we have clients. So you have to ensure that the server is up first because the clients communicates with the server. So in our setup, what we did was set up a server. So the server first such as does a hyperparameter tuning, automatic hyperparameter tuning, such as for the best parameter for the CNN model. After it getting the best parameter, it uses the best parameter to train the best model. And once that is done, so the local nodes connects to the server. First and foremost, they get the parameter from the server and the model weights. So they use the parameters and the model weights to start training the respective individual model. So once the training is done, and once each client completes training its local model, they send the updates to the server. The server receives these updates, then does the aggregations, then sends back the updated global model weights to each respective client, depending on the number of rounds. But in our case, the server runs through 10 rounds, meaning the each client trained each local model 10 times, and each time it completes training, sends the updates, the server does applications. Then after it does the aggregation, sends back the updated model weights to the clients, then they proceed training. They start training the next round. So until the 10 rounds are done, then the server, the central server, saves aggregates the final model, which it sends to the local clients. So in our case, this is the model that was compiled, and it's the model that we are going to use for our prediction. So in our machine learning operations, we use the Django as a backend, using VS Code as the IDE. So the model, this is where you develop the table that is to store the information. Then the upload, this is the upload page. This is the page that the client will use to upload the image that intends to predict on. Then the dashboard shows the statistics of what has been so far predicted. Then this is the view. This is the part that handles the logic. So when that is done, this is the interface. This is our interface. So this is the upload page. You upload your image from here. Then the dashboard shows you the statistics of the so far predicted cases. So in our case, we have already 23 cases predicted. Out of the 23, 17 are positive cases and 6 are negative cases. So let's go and do more to 3 predictions. Shall go to upload, you select the image. In this case, I will start with the affected image. That's the affected blood smear. We'll pick N. Once I pick N here, and then so I've uploaded the image. Let me re-upload afresh. You pick the image, then you click on analyze, upload and analyze. So the picked image, it has no, in this case, the sample has no malaria. So let's go back and see if this has been updated in our database. Remember, we had 6 cases, now there are 7. And the total 24. So we're going again to upload another case. So can pick another object here. Let me do total. Then I do. So this one has the malaria. It has been detected. Let's go back and see. So our cases are now 18. And then the negative cases are 7. You can upload one more. For about that. About that, so pick any here. Then I click on analyze. So this has no malaria. So see now the total number has increased. For negative cases, have increased to 8. And positive cases are 18. And then the total tests are 26. That is our presentation. We do welcome questions. Thank you.